Hey everybody, Daniel here, and I'm going to show you how to use the temporary funnel I told you about to send referrals or prospects to your business. Instead of signing up under me, they can sign up under you. And it's a little bit of server-side code, a little bit of background magic that happens. You'll notice in this link there are two numbers, okay? There is the EID with my Express ID number, and the DID, which is my double referral number, okay? Now, when you came through this temporary funnel to begin with, you'll remember in the video I asked you to grab a pen and paper so you can write those numbers down, okay? And the reason is because you'll need to replace the numbers in the link up here at the top. So you're going to highlight only the numbers, don't replace anything else. And just as an example, we're going to use 6 2s for express and 6 3s for double, okay? I'm going to hit enter. That's going to rewrite these links for these buttons here. Pause that video. So now when I click on step 1, it's going to bring them to the step 1 walkthrough page. Now this page, just like the one you came through, it is the same page you came through in fact, it has a tutorial video right there at the top, and Express My Cash Freebies is open inside this black box, so you never have to leave this page, and your referrals don't have to leave this page to continue signing up and to do what they need to do. They can stay right here on this page with the video tutorial. They can pause it, they can fast forward or rewind as necessary, and they can get their account set up and their credits done. Okay? Step 2 is the same way. You will see right underneath the video, it shows the 6 3s that I used as the example, and down here in My Cash Freebies it also shows it at the bottom. Now, that's not an existing valid referral ID number. That was just something we used as an example, but this shows you that it does pass it on correctly to My Cash Freebie site. And let me give you an example of that. I'm going to return to my own numbers. I'm going to hit enter. Make sure those links are rewritten. Pause the video. So now when I click on step 1, you'll see the 103175 that I added. That's my Express Referral ID number. It shows not only right here, directly beneath the video, but underneath it shows in this gray box, you're being referred by user ID 103175. Again, that's my number. And on double, step 2, it does the same thing. It shows my referral ID number directly under the video, and it shows my referral number in the sign up box inside the frame. Now, you may ask me, and there's probably quite a few of you that did this, you may ask me, what if I didn't write down my numbers? A lot of people do that. So just make sure when you're doing these things that you follow instructions, you take your time. I know people get excited. They like the fact that they're going to be able to work online, and they get real excited about it, and that's great, that's awesome, but take your time to read through and listen to instructions, because that's going to keep you from having so many problems, okay? So, if you did not write down your Express and double referral ID numbers, here's how you get those. You go to express.mycashfreebies.com for your Express number. You'll log in. On the Status tab, which is the tab that shows when you first log in, if for some reason you're not there, just click on the Status tab here, and you'll see your Express site ID number. That's the number you need for Express. Okay? Same with double. I'll switch over to double My Cash Freebies here, log in. And then again on the Status tab, 103176. That's my referral ID number. Okay? So that's how you get those if you need them. I'm going to log out real quick here. And the last thing I want to mention, when you're using this temporary funnel, it's very, very important. When you enter your numbers in here, after you hit enter, okay, to rewrite the links on that page, I want you to copy this whole thing and I want you to put it into Notepad, WordPad, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Works, whatever word processing or document storage program you have, okay? I want you to paste the link. Here's the reason. So many times people come to me and say, hey, my link's not working. People are saying that, they click my link and it doesn't work. What's going on here? Or they say I signed up under you, but then they never get the email. They never get that person signed up under them. Here's why. Because they're typing out this link, or they're using the link incorrectly, okay? They either have the wrong numbers in here, or they've changed the format, so they've replaced not only the numbers, but maybe this ampersand symbol as well. So I want you to hit enter on this link, make sure that everything is tested. You've tested the whole thing. And once you've tested it, and you've copied it and pasted it, okay, you will copy and paste this link anywhere you want to promote. That way you eliminate the human error, you eliminate the possibility for typos, and you don't have to worry about people going and signing up under someone else, okay? So explain to your signups, if you're going to use this temporary funnel, explain to your referrals how to use this funnel, or you can send them this video, that's perfectly fine too. That way they can learn how to use this temporary funnel also until we get this system set up and moving. I'm really excited about it. It's got a lot of potential, and I think you guys are going to like it. So until then, have fun with this temporary funnel.